Before this video starts, I just want to say thank you for all the support lately. I couldn't do it without any of you guys. I'm doing a giveaway on my 2020 setup video. All you have to do is be the first one to comment and you will get the cash prize. We'll get all the information sorted out. Make sure you follow my Facebook and my Instagram for closer updates on everything. So enjoy the video.
Trust us. See, that could be like a fish. That might be That's a fucking beach. Or an nectarine. Well then, why do you say it was fish? It's the fish.
Yeah. Oh my trash. Caitlin, you broke it.
You broke it. Turn it off, dude.
Someone's getting arrested. Don't.
I tried to sleep, but
Don't.
fucking ringing in my ears.
You're live.
I kept saying, no, it hurts, it hurts, it hurts. Noah got really fucking mad, so he's like, I want to leave, let's go.
Some dude asked who I was and I got really mad.
He looks at him and goes,
Apparently Caitlin, she kept asking for water when we were in bed last night.
yeah.
And I kept talking about emails.
He was like, Caitlin, you're on it. I'm like, on what? He goes, the email.
Why am I cutting this with a knife? Just eggs.
I don't even eat the egg. I just take this and put it in.
Yeah, so.
Yo, we saw an alien a second ago.
Whoa, whoa, hold on. Fix it, bro. Fix it, bro. Fix it, bro. Fix it, bro. Fix it. That's
my favorite part of the day.
That's what you say?
Oh. Young Dagger.
Close your eyes, only got one night. Just put your trust in me. Give me everything. I need your love tonight. So baby, please don't fight it. Put your trust in me. I'll give you everything. So hold on to me. Never let me go. Right here in your arms is where I wanna be. So hold on to me. Look me in the eyes, under the next sky for eternity.
What's good, bitch? It's Herb Jerk. We here with Dante. How'd you feel about getting a triple double today? I didn't get a triple double. You ugly as fuck, boy. Where you gotta go? Dick in the back of the truck. In the back? Don't put that in there, bro. But we about to go eat, so we'll get back at you later.
Fucking cold. I just want to.
We eating good today. This man.
That's actually hard, bro, because he's like a ghost.
Yeah, he goes, but he died. That's his dead body.
Bro, this shit not funny, bro.
What you?
Stop! Stop! What's good? Huh? Yeah, you alright? No, I got a cramp. Yeah.